Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw in DaVinci Resolve. So firstly, open your DaVinci Resolve. And once you're under this editing timeline, what you need to do is you need to click onto this effect in the top. And from your effect, you need to select this adjustment clips. And once you get this adjustment clips, what you need to do is simply double click here and simply put it on the video. So over here, once you have this adjustment clip, you can go to this icon that is fusion clip in the bottom, select that. So from here under this fusion, you need to go to this paint. And once your paint is added here, in the right hand side, you can go to this brush control. You can select for the brush you want. You can also select for the size or softness. So over here, you can also select the color that you prefer. You can find basic colors and you can simply click on one of the color that you prefer and select OK. And once you're done with the colors, in order to draw that, what you need to do is simply draw it under the video. And that is it. That is how you can draw in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.